So I already did the ball cap method. I'm just adding some lace glue by Erica J on my edges, and I'm going to be smudging it out with the end of a razor. For this particular install, I believe I did 4 coats of glue because I wanted it to last at least a week. So I think I did 4 coats. But on the regular, it will just be 1 or 2. The wig I'm wearing is from Wigwearhaus. I will leave the link to the website down below, and it is body weight 30 inches. So I'm going to be using the comb to make sure that the lace is melted into the glue, and I'm just going to do that all around my edges. Typically, you're supposed to let the glue get clear before trying to melt your lace, but that night was my birthday night, and I was trying to get my hair done before 12 a.m., so I was kind of rushing. I'm going to be using the black bottle of Evan spray to get that extra hold. I'm just going to be spraying it all around my edges. Now I'm going to be using a black elastic band to melt my lace. For some reason, every time I get in front of the camera, it's so hard to tie this band around my head, so I ended up doing it off camera, but it is always so hard for me to do it, and I don't understand why. I'm going to be using a scissor to cut the hair in 3 sections to make my life easier. Then I'm going to be using the razor to get the natural cut. When cutting, I will be pulling the lace to ensure that there is no extra lace left over. Now I'm curling the baby hairs downward to get that swoop that I would like. So I thought I was showing what I was doing, but apparently I wasn't. I am spraying the edge brush with some Ebrin spray, the black bottle, and I'm just going to be swooping my baby hairs. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side. I'm going to be using a wax stick from Beauty by C Collection. I'll leave the link down below. I'm going to be using that to flatten my hair. ironed my hair before placing the wig on my head, but I'm just going through it again to ensure that there is no bumps. I'm using Buyer Silk for that silk press look, and that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Woo!